Have you ever wondered why some people have vibrant, glowing skin and some don't? The secret lies in skin cell turnover, a process where your body replaces dead skin cells with new cells. This keeps your skin looking vibrant, tight, and youthful. However, as you age, or if you eat processed foods and don't drink enough water, this process slows down. Why? Because it destroys the gut microbiome in your stomach. This leads to wrinkles, age lines, and dull, lifeless skin, plus more than a little embarrassment. There is good news though. Rejuvenating your skin is now possible with Neotonics. Neotonics is a scientifically formulated probiotic gummy that targets the root cause of skin aging, an unhealthy gut microbiome. With a powerful blend of 500 million units of beneficial bacteria and 9 potent natural ingredients, Neotonics revitalizes your gut microbiome. This promotes faster cell turnover to give you radiant, younger-looking skin. One Neotonics gummy a day can dramatically transform your health from the inside out, giving you that toned, vibrant look and the confidence that comes with it. Every bottle of Neotonics also comes with a 60-day or unclad money-back guarantee. If you're not 100% satisfied, simply return the bottles, even if they're empty, for a full refund. For more information, answers to frequent questions, and links to purchase, visit healthandfitnesshackers.com. Don't let aging skin ruin your vibe. Try Neotonics today and take the first step towards a healthier, more radiant you.